Hi, I'm JT with WTI, and if you're the happy owner of a Toyota Grand Highlander XLE, then easily one of the best additions you can get for your cargo area is an all-weather cargo mat like this one, especially our model, which has black carpet. Whenever we go to the beach, the sand not only shows up quickly, but it can be really difficult to vacuum out. Not so with this cargo mat. You can easily vacuum it out in place, use a hand brush, or if you don't have either of those, you can just pull the mat out carefully and dump most of the sand until you can clean it properly. It also works great for minor liquid spills, which will easily just wipe up and even contain it for a little while until you can clean it up. As far as the fit, it fits great. There's really little to no gap even around the curves. They did a great job measuring. Even the lip at the back is as high as it can be to contain the spills, but still not create an edge to get caught up on. Since this model is designed to fit XLE models without a subwoofer, they even make a separate lip for that little section, which can help keep items from sliding around when you turn. I really like the finish too. It's not the sticky rubber feel, and it's also not the other extreme where it's like slippery like a plastic feel. I think it's a great balance for look and feel. If you have a Toyota Grand Highlander, I feel like getting this all-weather cargo mat is a no-brainer that you're not going to regret, and that's my point of view.